Hey guys, so another weekly report, a couple of days late. Unfortunately, I was not able to do this on Sunday, so here we are doing it on Tuesday. Um, so, straight up to the content, the published content. Last week, I was not able to publish any new videos as well, so the last published one was 12 days ago. So, if we look at the content, we had a reaction video published on August 26th, and then we had a short published on the 29th. So both a couple of weeks ago. Um, so now checking back on performance of the reaction videos, we see that the Black Country community reactions did not go that well, or at least so far. We have this one, One More Try by Simon McBride, going okay, and we have the video for On the Table by Richie Kotzen kind of picking up. So let's see our overview. Last 28 days drop in views. That is in part due to the fact that I did not post new videos last week, but also to the decrease in performance for the videos that I did publish in these last 28 days, right? So still most watched video was the Guitar Olympics one, and followed by Richie Kotzen on the table. This reaction kind of picked up, right? So when we look at last 365 days, which is our reference for the monetization goal, we are at almost 500 watch time hours out of the 4,000 that we need to monetize, and we are at 31 subscribers from out of the 1,000 that we need. So still progress, right? But it slowed down. You can see here that we had this peak performance. Let's adjust this here. But we had this peak performance in early August, which was when we had the Olympics, and it's when the Olympics video kind of picked up. But then it slowed down, and the next ones that I did, reaction videos, did not work as well as I expected. So that's it. I had some new ideas of videos to publish. Want to see if I can churn out a couple of reaction videos for this week. But yeah, we're gonna keep at it, keep working on it, and monetization is our goal. Let's see if we can hit that by around end of year, which was our goal. Okay, cool. That's it, guys. See ya.